See my beautifully packaged soap. Do you believe that these soaps are actually rebadged soap? Yes. And I packed them in my beautifully made bar soap nylon, giving you simple packaging idea. I'll show you what this soap was like before I rebadge it. Let's see what it is like. Here, this is the soap. I was producing the soap using just palm oil and using the semi-hot method, and it went wrong. But you know, with me, soap can never go bad. There's always a way to rebadge it easily. If you don't know how to rebadge your soap, I'll link a video in the description on how to rebadge your soap easily. Some people come and they ask me if I'm rebadging my soap, do I need to add calcium? Do I need to add this? No. I'll link that video. Just watch and see how I rebadge my soap. I rebadged it so beautifully and it came out well. I produced this soap using just palm oil and using the semi-hot method, my own semi-hot method. I was just experimenting because normally I don't produce with palm oil. I am in Lagos, Nigeria, and there PKO is far cheaper and I produce with just PKO. I was trying to experiment so I can show my students what is possible with palm oil, and I got this, but I eventually conquered and I produced a very beautiful soap after. The full video on how to produce your bar soap using the semi-hot method with only palm oil is in my training platform. You can register for my training to see the full video. Here we go. Cutting our batch soap with my simple, beautiful, portable cutting machine. Yes, I also have these cutting machines available for sale. With this bar soap cutting machine, you can actually cut any size of bar soap you wish to cut. Look at me. Look at see. I've cut a smaller size. It is adjustable. You can actually adjust it to cut whatever size of soap you want to cut. So it is not like I bought a cutter and I must cut one size. No. With this my innovative bar soap cutting machine, you can cut whatever size you want. You want to cut 100 naira soap, you want to cut 200 naira soap, or whatever size of soap you want to cut. Yes, you can get that done with this bar soap cutting machine. Look at me cutting a bigger size with this machine. On this channel and in my class, I make production very easy for you. I give you solutions that will make your bar soap business very, very interesting and exciting. Yeah, look at the bigger sizes I've cut with the same machine. All you need is just to adjust it and you get the actual size you want. Here we go, a beautiful soup. Yeah, packaged in this simple nylon, bar soap packaging nylon. I also sell this nylon. If you want this nylon or you want a cutting machine, just send me a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on the screen. And if you also want to join my training platform, you can also send me a WhatsApp message on that number displayed on the screen. I do everything to make you profit from your production, your bar soap production business from my wealth of experience. Thank you.